What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off two-step verification in yahoo.com. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in yahoo.com. So you will be directly welcome to this homepage of yahoo.com. Now, if you already have a Yahoo Gmail, just enter your Yahoo Mail and enter your password to directly access the Yahoo Mail. And if you are new to Yahoo, just simply sign in with your email and password, and then you will be able to access the Yahoo Mail. Now, after coming here, on the right side, you can see the option of signing in. Now, after signing in, on the right side, as you can see, just click on your account and click on Manage Your Account. After clicking, this will show to turn on my two-step verification. So let's say I have turned on my two-step verification. So as you can see, I have added and turned on my two-step verification. Now, if you want to turn off your two-step verification, just simply go to security, and under security, you will see the enable and disable two-step verification. So from here, you can click on disable two-step verification, or if you don't find here, you will scroll a bit down. And after scrolling a bit down, you can find the two-step verification section here. You can turn it off from here, and this is how you can turn off your two-step verification on Yahoo Mail. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.